Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2025 BMW X5 xDrive40i in Skyscraper Grey Metallic. Alright, so this is the 2025 BMW X5 xDrive40i in Skyscraper Grey Metallic. I just hit unlock, so we got the headlights coming on with the welcome light animation. And here we also have the grille illuminating. So that's also new since the LCI. And at the front here, you can see that we've got everything blacked out. We have some intake ducts down here as well. And you can see there's some active shutters over here. This part is also some active shutters by the looks of it. So you can get better aerodynamics at high speed, or the car can breathe better when it needs it. So let's do a lap all the way around. This color looks awesome on here actually. And I'm in a little bit of a tight space, but not too bad. And I think having Skyscraper in our lineup, it brings back kind of that silvery gray color that was super popular in the early 2000s. Like everyone had a silver car back then. So anyways, let's take a closer look at all the details. So this is Skyscraper Grey Metallic. I love all of BMW's paints for the amount of depth they have into it. Look at that. So very gray here. And this side where there's a bit more sunlight, it's so much brighter and almost a silver in some parts. But it looks awesome. We've got the four lines coming down the hood. There's the rondelle up front and center. We have the one-piece black kidney grille with the vertical slats. It illuminates from the top on the X5. The X6 goes all the way around. X7 and X5 both have this cascading, illuminating, iconic glow, we call it. There's the front plate bracket, camera, sensors, and a spot for your front tow hook there. But overall, this front end looks really sweet. And just so that you can see what the difference in shape of the grille in that, there's an X6M, so you can see the kidney grille is a totally different shape versus this. And I mean, this is not the M car, but still a little bit of a difference in design. Now when we look at the headlights, so we do have the Shadowline BMW LED headlights. Again, I love all of those little intricate patterns in there, things to reflect off of. It's a really smart design. You can see there's triangles here, and then there's none here because it doesn't reflect anything, and then there's some in front of the other light. So that's really cool. Now when we come to the side here, you'll see that we have the 22-inch double spoke 742M wheels in jet black with the red M Sport brakes. That looks sweet. We also have this little design element on the fender, and we have body colored side mirror. We have the integrated turn signal and camera there. Side profile, beautiful sports activity vehicle shape. We have the black window surrounds. I like how this line goes under the front door handle and through the rear one. It's kind of neat. We have the black roof rails up top. We have the panoramic sunroof. We have the new style antenna. We have the spoiler back here as well. And just have a look at this rear 22-inch 742M wheel. That looks sweet. We have the rear wiper here. And let's get the rear tail lights on. So we've got the double L shape, and I love how it illuminates the little BMW on the side. More triangles to keep that theme going. We've got horizontal reflectors on each side. We have a freeform exhaust with a single exit exhaust on each side as well. There's your spot for your rear tow hook. We've got a rear diffuser, xDrive40i badging, and we've got the camera here with the rear plate bracket. So I've got the key. Kick my foot underneath the middle of the car. It's this style key that comes with this one. Once this opens up, we have a cargo cover. The cargo cover can be released by pressing this button here. So once it comes all the way out, down here, there's a space where it can be stored. Just in this section right here. There's your wheel lock keys and tow hook, carpeted mats in that extra storage space. Put that back down. We have a 12-volt plug, grocery bag hanger. This side has another grocery bag hanger. And this side has a spot for your tire inflator kit. And this lower section does go up and down, but my arm is too short to reach all of that stuff without putting that once down, so I wait till the end. And yes, there's a button up top to close, another one to close and lock. But if I kick, it will get both upper and lower tailgates at the same time. Love that. If you come to the passenger side, the fuel cap door is here. We are looking for 91 octane. It's counterclockwise, one click to open this. There's a spot here to put it, and it's clockwise, one click to shut it. I'm going to open up this back door here. So once we open that up, you'll see that we have, look at the illumination of the ambient light in here. That looks great. These are the Black Sensafin seats. There's a release lever on the shoulder to fold down the seats, and a 60-40 split. Headrest can flip up or down on the two outer headrests. It's going to undo the center seat belt. So pull that down. Storage space, cup holders, and once this is down, you can find the string for the center pass-through. And on the back of each front seat, there's a little accessory port. So tablet holders, coat hangers, little tables, USB Type-C charging port, pockets here. Whoops. Ambient light, that looks sweet. Rear climate controls with heated seats in the two outer positions, a storage space, two USB Type-C charging ports, 12-volt plug. And up top, we have the Sky Lounge sunroof. So we have the ambient light coming through the edges here. We have a handle up top with a coat hanger and some reading lights over here. Another coat hanger on the back of the B-pillar. More vents on the back of the B-pillar as well, right here. It's kind of hard to see, it's dark. And let's close this door, and we'll open the front door next. So here we are by the front passenger door. Let's open this up. So inside we have Harman Kardon sound system. We have some nice stitching going across the top here. Got some more stitching, ambient light, window control, ambient light strip. We have some wooden trim in here, big deep pockets, illuminating aluminum M door sill, full power seat with lumbar and side bolster. So have a look at those front seats. They're very soft, very supple. The headrest fold is the only manual adjustment that's on these seats. We have the illuminating X5 interaction light bar, vent controls so we can open and close and direct where they're going. Nice leather on the dash with some stitching. We have iDrive 8.5. I recently just picked the ambient light color for the video. Glove box down here. And inside of there, we do have a wireless charger with your USB-A 12-volt plug, heated and cooled cup holders, glass push start button, gear selector, and iDrive controller. And if I press this, it splits open to reveal the USB Type-C in there. Let's go open the door on the driver's side next. All right, so if we approach from the driver door, let me just open that up. So we have Harman Kardon sound system inside of here. We have some stitching going across the dash. We have some window controls, side mirror controls, tailgate release, gentleman's button, and we have memory seats here. Aluminum, illuminating light on here. We've got some storage, nice soft touch at the bottom, illuminating M door sill, full power seat with lumbar and side bolster once again. There is your M Sport steering wheel. So we've got M at 6 o'clock. Got some stitching on the airbag cover. We have head-up display. And if we take a quick look in here, so in terms of driving, so this car has good old-fashioned cruise control. And we also have all the self-parking, so you can record a parking path, can automatically back park, front park, parallel park, come out of a parking spot. And we've got the head-up display here. We have the universal garage door opener underneath the rearview mirror. And up top, we've got some light controls. That opens the light when you open the mirror. That can come out and extend. And we've got some microphones on the ceiling on each side. And we've got some handles here as well. So why don't we do this? Let's get out of here and we'll open up the hood next. So it's just down here, 2 pulls, 1, 2. So when we arrive to the front, we will not have to find anything underneath here. You just have to lift this up. And there it is, the beautiful B58 3-liter inline-6 twin power turbo. We have 375 horsepower, 398 foot-pounds of torque. We have your positive battery terminal. We have your negative battery terminal. We have your washer fluid. We've got a diamond shaped strut brace here as well. So all of this looks pretty sweet. And once we're done looking at this, BMWs have 2 latches under the hood. Just have to center down, just like that. All right, so before we conclude the video, I'm gonna just do one more lap all the way around. This color actually looks so good on the X5. I really like it. I think this color is also gonna be very forgiving for cleaning purposes as well, but it looks really good. So what do you think of this spec, and what do you think of this color combination on the X5? All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2025 BMW X5 xDrive40i in Skyscraper Grey Metallic. We've got the Black Sensafin interior inside, and we've got M Sport Pro. So this car is amazing. What do you think? Let me know if you like it. So if you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMW Durham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.